Yeah. So I'm currently looking at XAUUSD. Hello guys, welcome to our afternoon forex trading live session. All right, so this is the session where we make money. Guys, go and get your account ready. Okay, so I'm currently looking at a setup on the XAUUSD. That is our gold pair. Guys, go and get your account ready. And the market is already sitting on is coming into my support zone right now, so we can get an opportunity to actually buy on this live stream. Okay, so go and get your account ready, guys. If you haven't fund, go and fund your account. If you don't have enough balance in your account, go and make a top up. All right, and if you want to fund your account right now, go to the chat room. Okay, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on it and it'll take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Guys, if you are funding your account, make sure you are funding up to $15. So all right, if you fund up to $15, you get the privilege of getting into my premium group. All right, you already know what the premium group is for. All right, so if you are in the premium group, you make I give you signal every time, every day. All right. As far as the signal, you are going to get the signal also. So, and you know, the importance of the signal is to make money. Yeah. So, guys, please, we already have a trade running on the premium group right now. We already have a trade running. So, some of our trades are already in profit. All right. Some of our trades are already in profit. Let me just share my screen with you so that, um, let me share so that you can see what is going on in the premium group. I want you guys to see what is going on in the premium group. All right. So guys, you see what is going on here. Stop playing. Stop playing. Look at this. Look at this. This will also come into profit very soon. Okay. This is making a retracement to the downside. It will also go into profit very soon. So guys, fund your account right now. And you have the privilege of placing this trade with us also. Guys, please. Nigeria not be beans now. You all know. So the only way is to try and survive, isn't it? And this is the only way I know that I can survive, and I'm you know making sure that you are doing the same thing with me. All right. So the only way that you can do this with me is if you fund your account. All right, and you have to fund up to $15 so that you can be in the premium group also. All right, when you are on the premium group, that is where you get those signals. So those in the premium group right now, that is what they are enjoying. All right. So I can tell them to close anytime, no matter what they make, even if it is just $3, $4 in a trade. It's something. You understand? So just calculate it in 5 days in a week. Okay, Monday to Fridays. Okay, I just assuming you are able to accumulate for $5 in a day up until Friday. Imagine how much that is. Okay, and you know how much dollar is in Nigeria right now. Stop playing, guys. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. So I'm currently looking at the XAUUSD. That's the gold pair, and I'm getting a rejection from here, but I don't trust this rejection. You guys know what happened yesterday. Yeah. So even though we were not able to get the entry, no hard feelings. Okay, it happens. It happens. It happens. Um, we are not looking for all our entry to get triggered. Understand? Some of our entry will not get triggered, but the most important thing is we want to make sure that we are always, making profit. All right. We want to make sure that our profit is better than our losses. Okay. We don't want to be accumulating losses. You understand? So, guys, please go and fund your account and get the privilege to be in my premium signal also. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Since I want to, take a scalping trade on this market, I want my high, my previous high, to get violated. Okay. So when I say violated, what I mean is I want my previous high to get taken out. Okay, I want this to get broken out. So when I get a breakout here, the next thing I'll be looking for is, a retest, and then we ride it to the top. Okay, we can even ride it to this level. Let me just mark it out. Let me mark it out. So we can even ride it to this level. Let me mark where the okay. We have a small gap here, so the market can just come to this area and then start to reverse back to the downside. So the reason why I can't say we should enter this market right now is because if you look at the 2 hour time frame right now, look at the gap here. Look at the gap here. So this market can actually come, still want to fill all of this gap. All of this area is a zone, all right? So the only way we can be sure that this market can actually reverse from here is if we get a change of character on the lower time frame. Okay, so this is how I make my own confirmation. All right, this is how I make my own confirmation. So guys, let's just wait for this market and see how it plays out. All right. And in the course of waiting for it, let's look for another market we can analyze and look for opportunities we can trade on. So this is the Euro JPY. Let's go to the higher time frame. Now I love making my analysis from the higher time frame. I love making my analysis on the higher time frames. Wow, wow, this is a beautiful trade. This is a beautiful trade. Guys, I'm not going to give you this for free. Okay, this is a beautiful setup, and I'm seeing this just now. Okay, I haven't come to this chart today. Yeah, I was here yesterday, but it hasn't making gotten to this extent. I mean, there was no move as sharp as this. So right now, I have a change of character. I have so many confirmations. I love this. I love this. I love this. This is the kind of setup I always look out for. Right? This is the kind of setup I look out for. Okay, okay, okay. So we have that over there. And then we have this huge gap, right? We have this huge gap. So when this market come to this area right now, it is likely that the market is going to reverse, okay? So it is very likely that the market can reverse from all of these areas, okay? Market can just decide to start going down. The market love reversing from areas where there are gaps, okay? That is why I love taking advantage of such gaps. So when I see gap in the market, my mind, I just, start feeling happy. Wow. The market is going to reverse from this zone. Okay. You see, this is one of the beautiful thing on this platform. You don't even have to do all the wahala. You don't have to go through the trouble of, hey, how am I going to analyze this market? How am I going to do this today? I don't even know if this market is going to go up or down. I don't even understand this chart. Guy, you are learning currently. I don't expect you to understand anything. Okay, you are learning currently, so you are not supposed to understand it now because you are still learning. The only time that you'll be able to understand this is when you become a pro also. All right, and before you become a pro, you can be making money. All right, you don't have to wait until when am I going to know how to start analyzing the market and start placing trade by myself. You can actually start making money right now while you continue to learn. It is very easy. Okay, this platform is one of the best platforms out there. I don't think there's any way you can, get offers like this. Offers where they'll be teaching you and at the same time still showing you how you can actually earn. Okay. Or in fact, this is not even showing you how you can actually earn. This is earning. Okay. Giving you signals. Right. I don't think there's anybody doing this on any other platform because I haven't seen it. I haven't come across any. Right. So that shows that this platform, this thing that I'm doing here is one of a kind. All right. Nobody else is doing this. So you guys should be giving me accolade, you should be hailing my name. So this is what I'm going to do on this trade, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to be giving it to the free. I'm not going to be giving it out for free. Okay. So I will be giving it to my premium members. Those are the members that actually appreciate what I'm doing online. Okay. They take me seriously. They don't take me for granted. They feel like, wow, this guy said, let's do this. Let's do it. Let's appreciate what he's trying to do for us here. Okay. So I'll be giving this to them. I already gave them 2 already. So I'll make sure that, we get as many signal for today so that they can actually make good money. You understand? So if you want to get the opportunity also, all you have to do is just deposit, fund your account with $15. Okay. Fund your trading account, your BtcDana trading application, your trading account. Fund it with $15. Okay. So when you fund with $15, just let me know. Just comment in the comment section. Just tell me, I fund with $15. So how do I get into the premium group? I will add you ASAP. Okay. And yesterday I remembered some of us wanted to fund our account. Guys, you can do that now. All right. You can do that now. You can fund and then get into the premium group and take advantage of this signal also. All right. So this is USDJPY. Let's go and look for free trade. This is premium. Let's go and look for free. Let's go and look for free. All right. Let's go and look for free trade. Let's go and look for free trade. That is premium trade. That is premium signal. If you want to get that, go and fund the account. Fund at least $15, and then you'll be qualified to join the group. All right. And if you are still struggling, if you don't know where to click, guys, please, one more thing. If you want to fund your account, make sure you are clicking on that banner, the banner on the chat room. Okay. The banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you're not clicking on that banner, if you just go and fund anyhow, you see the way I made it, but that means you are on your own, guys. Right? Enough of play. Let's serious with our analysis. So this is what is currently going on the USDCHF. This is the United States dollar against the Swedish franc. So I'm not getting a valid entry point. Neither am I getting. Okay, so we had a gap here, but there was no liquidity. So you see, so this is one of the things that I love to do. Okay, I like it when my setups, um, when everything I'm looking for actually aligns. Okay, so right now there's one thing missing. All right, I won't tell you guys that thing because my strategy will always be different from your strategy. You see, in forex market, in forex trading, um, people use different strategies. All right. So it's either, but you have to know the basic things. Okay. You have to know the basic things. You have to be able to differentiate between, your other blocks. So when I say other blocks, I mean your support and your resistance. Okay. Your resistance and your support. You can also call it demand or supply. Whichever one you want to call it is the same thing. Supply, demand, support, resistance. All right. So those are the basic things. They are the basic key points, rather, that you need to know, where to find them and how to find them. So when you are okay with that, you can actually, start developing a strategy for yourself. This is what I want to be looking at. This is what I want to do. All right. And then you practice. So when you practice it and you are okay with it, you start doing it on your own. All right. But for now, since you are still in the process of practicing, let's make money. And how do we make money? Fund the account with $15 and I get you into my premium group. Guys, it's just as easy as that. So I'm not going to be taking this setup because my requirement obviously is not met. Let's look at NZDCAD. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so this is breaking to the downside. I don't want to take this. I don't want to take this. Let's make fresh analysis here. All right, let's make fresh analysis. Let's see if we can actually get an entry. Let's make fresh analysis. Let's make fresh analysis. Okay, okay. So I actually have a support sitting here. Have a support sitting around this area, and the market is actually around that support zone right now. So I want to wait and see what the market is playing at. Okay, I want to see what the market is trying to do. All right. I love this kind of opportunities. Okay, I love this kind of opportunities. But you see, there's something going on, guys. There's something going on here. Okay. You see, I want to make this afternoon session as fun as possible. All right. I don't want it to just be, let's just focus on, making money, analysis. When I'm making analysis, I love to focus, and I know I won't even be saying anything. So it will be as if I went mute. Okay. I don't want that to be happening. That's why I try as much as possible that, whatever I'm making here, I'm trying to explain it to you guys. Okay. So guys, please, all you can do is pay attention. Okay. Pay attention. So now, if you've been attending our evening session, you notice something going on here. I said when the market, when we get one touch, two touch, three touch, the fourth touch is always risky. Even though you are going to take the setup, make sure you are not going for long. Okay, make sure you are not going for long because this market now, it can just come to this level now and then start to go sideways. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can actually take this entry. Let's see if we can take this entry. The market is actually reversing on the 4 hour. It's reacting to the 4 hour time frame right now, and that's a good thing. Okay, that is a good thing. The reason why I say it's a good thing is because the 4 hour time frame is a higher time frame. So when the market is, responding to such higher time frame zone, that means we can actually get an entry. All right, that means something magical can actually happen from such opportunity. So let's just see what is going to happen, and then currently on the lower time frame. Wow, I'm getting a good rejection here. A very good rejection. All right, a very good rejection. I'm getting a very good rejection from this area. Getting a very good rejection from this area. Right. So I want to see if um, wow, 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 wow. This is good. Guys, this is good. Now, guys, get your account ready. Seriously, you see? In fact, I never even start guys, the market only go up. Guys, get your account ready. Get your account ready. Abi, should I drop this on the premium group? Maybe I should just drop this on the premium group. Since you guys don't want to fund your account. You don't want to fund up to $15 now. Let me take this to the premium. Let me take it to the premium. Just kidding, just kidding. Oh yeah, go to NZDCAD. NZDCAD. Guys, this is going to be an intraday trade. Okay, so it could take a while before we actually get a proper movement, but it doesn't matter, all right? It doesn't matter. Our trend is actually a downtrend, but we are currently on a very strong support zone. Okay. So let's see if we can actually take this. All right. Let's see if we can actually take this. Oh, the market is making a fast move already. It's making a fast move. I don't know why is going so fast. But don't worry, don't worry. It will still come back. It will come back. Right now is making this move because it's currently touching a support. So that is one of the things that happen when we get a support entry. Okay, when we get a support entry, the market tends to make a move instantly. Okay, start to make move instantly. So good for us. We have a trade we are actually looking at right now, right? We have a trade we are actually looking at. So guys, let me just set mine. Then I'll give you a go ahead. All right. Let me watch the trade for some seconds. Let me watch the trade for some seconds. Then I'll give you a go ahead if you should, buy on this. All right. So I'll be giving this to the free members. Okay. Okay. So I'll be dropping this on the BtcDana general group. All right. But for the moment, let me just keep a watch on this for some time and see how it's going to react. All right. I don't want us to take a trade that is, to just start going down. So we already got a rejection. Oh wow, it's even rejecting on the higher time frame. Okay, it's rejecting on the higher time frame, and that's a good thing, right? That's a good thing. But at the same time, we don't want a trade that is going to take us out and then immediately start to go our way. So let me just watch this trade. Okay, so this is the 30-minute time frame. Let's have a closure of this 30-minute time frame. Okay, it's just 6 minutes remaining for the closure of that candle. So when I get a close of this candle right now, boom, we are going to get into the trade. I'm very sure this market will make a move to the top side before it actually, continue its movement to the downside. All right. Wow, wow, this is beautiful. I'm getting a good rejection. Okay, a very good rejection. Wow, wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. But don't worry, don't worry. We need to confirm the market, right? We need to confirm that the market would actually go our way. We don't just want to jump into the market, right? So assuming I saw that earlier, we could have set a buy limit on that support zone, yeah, and then we would have entered, we would have start riding it to the top side, right? So I'm going to okay. So I want to make this a second TP, all right? I want to make this a second TP. So I've already set TP1. This will be for TP2. Okay, so we are already preparing. Okay, guys, don't worry. Just 3 minutes more. Um, just 3 minutes more for this trade to close. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right. So I want to see a proper rejection, and then we are going to start buying immediately. All right. Just 2 minutes. All right. Remember what happened yesterday. We don't want to move from this market, and then our entry, we'll miss our entry. All right. So let's just stay on it and see how it goes. Let's stay on it. Okay, just few seconds to the closure of this candle. A good rejection, all right? Few seconds to the closure of this candle. Few seconds, few seconds. Guys, go and get your account ready. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Get your account ready, get your account ready. Get your account ready, guys. Get your account ready, guys. Get your account ready. I'm going to call out this trade right now. Few seconds, few seconds, few seconds, guys. Go and get your account ready. Fund your account. You can still enter this trade. Okay? If you don't have enough on your account, you can still enter this trade. All right? 11 seconds. 10. 7 seconds. 6. Wow. Okay. Guys, oh yeah, go into your account and buy NZDCAD. Buy NZDCAD. Go and buy NZDCAD. NZDCAD. Buy. Guys, go and buy NZDCAD. Go and buy NZDCAD now. NZDCAD. Go and buy it now. NZDCAD. Go and buy. So guys, let's try and look for another setup. Yeah, let's look for another setup. Let's look for another setup, right? Let's look for another entry. So when I say setup, I mean entry, right? Let's look for another entry, you guys. Just a second, guys. Guys, sorry. If you haven't placed the trade, you still have the chance to place the trade now. If you haven't placed it, you still have the chance to place it. Remember, I said this is an intraday trade, so you can take some times before it actually plays out. All right. So let's look for another setup. All right. Let's look for another setup. Let's look for another setup. All right. All right. All right. All right. So this is the NZD USD. See, enough of NZD, Jerry. Let's look for popular pair. Let's go to GBP USD. Yeah, yeah. Let's go to GBP USD. Oh, wait. I think I did something here yesterday. I did some analysis on the cryptocurrencies. Yeah, let's check the cryptocurrencies, guys. Let's check the cryptocurrencies. Look at this. Look at this, guys. The market actually moved from where I set my support. You see, and this is the 4 hour time frame. Oh my god, 1 2 3 4 5. Every candle here takes 4 hours before it got printed, right? So this is like almost 24 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So it was actually around yesterday morning that I did this analysis, and look what happened. The market is still coming. So I just marked this out. I said the market, when it breaks out of this market, it will continue to go up. And since then, the market has been making the major move. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's see if we can actually get a proper entry on the lower time frame. We can get an entry on the lower time frame. If we can actually get a good entry, it doesn't hurt to set a buy limit or a sell limit, is it? It doesn't hurt, yeah. Can actually we can always set a buy limit or a sell limit on any of our trade. So this was the last move to the downside before the market actually broke out, which with a strong candle to the upside. Right. So now, what this actually means is that this market would come back to this level before it continues its journey to the upside, right? It's going to come back to this level. This is the last move of the this is the last bearish move before it actually starts going up. So this is how I make my analysis. This is where I'll be waiting for the market to come back to this place. My stop loss will be just below here, and then my take profit will be the recent high. So this is the recent high. Okay, let me just put it here. Let me put it here. Let me move my stop loss down a bit, because okay, so my stop loss is I love it that way. I love the stop loss where it is, and then my take profit, I want it to be 2:1, right? So I want it to be whatever I'm risking. If I'm risking 1%, I want to make double of it. That is what 2:1 means, right? Okay, so I'll be keeping an eye on this market. I'm very sure it will come back, and then I can give it to my premium members, right? See, don't feel jealous if you had me always calling the premium members. So, yeah, if you want me, if you want me to be, making reference to you also. If you are on the premium member, it will be, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. Whenever I'm saying the premium members, at least you know it's, you too. I'm talking about you also. And to get into the premium group, all you have to do is just fund your account, fund your trading account with $15. Okay, and make sure you are funding on this live stream. Okay, that is the only place it counts. Yeah, so you need to fund on this live stream for me to get you into the premium group. If you are not funding on this live stream, guy, it's not going to be counted. All right, it has to be on this live stream. It has to be here, like here now. So I'll be waiting for this market. I think I did on Ethereum USDT also, and wow, guys, look what happened. I actually set my I set this entry yesterday. I wanted to give it to my premium members actually, but I kind of forgot. I forgot. And look at what happened. The market, I made this market around here, and then I said when this market comes back into this zone, it will go up. Guys, this market move up massively. This is the 30-minute time frame. Just imagine how much my premium members could have made from this entry alone. Just imagine. You see, instant trigger, take profit instantly, start making move to the upside. Wow, this is beautiful. Seriously, guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. So you see, this is one of the benefits of joining my premium membership. If you're on the premium, you see, I have your best interest at heart. Okay, your best interest is what I have in mind. Making sure that you are able to get you are able to make money daily. Okay, you are able to make something at least, no matter how small it is. Anyhow, you understand? Whatever you are making right now something now. Uh, is it easy to make dollars? We all know it's not easy to make dollar. Yeah, but if you're joining me on the premium group, I'll make it easy for you. Okay, I'll make it easy for you. That's what we do on the premium group every day, guys. That's what we do there every day. So this market will kind of, actually, I wanted to get back into this zone, but it might be kind of hard. Why? Because we have this long candle. So this market can actually get to this point, and then start to go back up. All right. Um, so we have something like this. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. So we have something like this. This is my Fibonacci tool. This is my Fibonacci, and I love the Fibonacci so much because it gives me a proper entry. You see what I was talking about here? I said I'm waiting for the market to get into here. Okay, see, even my Fibonacci is telling me, yeah, wait for the market to get here. But I'm pretty sure the market will actually make a move from here. The reason is that this is a long candle. Okay, now we can actually go to the lower time frame and see if that is actually a long. Oh, wow, 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 wow. That is not really a long candle. So it's breaking down. We have the breakdown on the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. So we have the breakdown here. My first entry was here. It got triggered and gave me my profit. So my second entry is I'm predicting that this market will fall back to this zone before it starts to continue its uptrend. Okay. So one of the reasons I love my strategy is it works on any asset. Okay, it works on any pair, any instrument, as far as it is trading. It doesn't matter if it is on Binance. It doesn't matter if it is Ethereum, USDT. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it is BTC or USD, or the forex pairs. Right. So it doesn't matter whatever asset you are trading. All right. Whatever asset you are trading, support and resistance will work on it. That is why it is very important that you attend the evening session. Okay. So when you get an entry here, you are able to, acquire whatever it is, however small it is. Always make sure to come back, to learn. That is why we are here. We are mainly here, you know, to earn and learn at the same time. Okay. So if you are just earning and you are not learning, bro, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Let me just set this and give this to my premium members. I said this was going to be for my members, for my premium members. Let me set it and give it to them. Let me set it and give it to them. Guys, don't feel bad if I'm not giving you this trade. If I'm not giving this trade for free, don't feel bad. Okay? If I'm not giving this for free, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad because I already warned you guys. I said I wasn't going to give it for free. If you want to get free, if you want to get this signal, go and fund your account. Okay? If you want to get this, fund your account right now because I'll be dropping it on the premium group. Okay? Go and fund your account right now because I'll be dropping this trade on the premium group. So when I drop this, my premium members are going to enter it into their own trading app, and then we allow it to play out and make money together. You see what happened? You see what I was talking about? The market is still juggling around on the XAUUSD. Okay, so I don't want to take this kind of trade. This is the kind of trade I run away from. So I'm looking for a clear structure. Okay, a clear structure. When I say a clear structure, you want to be patient for your market to actually break out. Okay, so when you get a breakout, you want the market to come back, make a retest and start to go up. That is when you want to enter your trade. Okay, not the one that you just enter and then in the next few minutes you are already losing. All right. So I have to trade I am currently looking out for my premium members. Okay, so I'm looking out for this XAUUSD, and I'm also looking out for the USD JPY. So if you want to get this, go and fund your trading account. Okay, if you want to get this, go and fund your trading account. So let's look at the GBP USD. Okay, okay. So on GBP USD right now, I made this analysis down since yesterday, and the market still hasn't gotten, to that point. But I'm sure the market will get there. Reason is that um, there's what we call proper retracement, okay, proper retest. So the market haven't actually made a proper retest right now. It hasn't filled the gaps on the upside. So I'm waiting for this market to get to that point, to this point actually. So when you get to this point, you start selling to the downside. The overall trend for this market is downtrend. All right. So this market has been on downtrend for quite some times now. So I'm waiting for this market to make a retracement back into my box and then start to go down. And that is when I'm going to take the opportunity. Okay, a sell opportunity. So as for now, uh, it's a market to look out for. Guys, if you are looking at this trade right now, you can actually keep your eyes. You can look out for this also. Okay, this is GBP USD. So you can look out for this also when it gets to this price. Okay, you can actually write this price down. You can write this down. This is let me call the price out for you guys. So you see, this is my resistance zone. So the price is 1.26124. I'm sure you can see this on your screen. All right, just write it down. So when the market gets to this price, start selling instantly. I'm telling you, start selling instantly. Instantly, start selling. If you can't see, let me call out. Right? Let me call it out. 1.26124. Guys, this is not a signal. This is not a signal. Okay, I'm telling you to write this down. When GBP USD get to that point, you start to sell. Okay, this is not a signal. It's just a market to look out for. All right, it's a market to look out for. All right, so I'm sure you guys have written that out. Okay. Wow. These are beautiful entries. These are beautiful entries that we shouldn't have missed. Um, you see, I predicted those price yesterday. I actually said the BTC USDT is actually going to make a move to the upside. Okay, I predicted this price yesterday. Look at this. I even said, you see, I said it's going to make a retest after a breakout. It's going to make a retest and then start to move to the upside. So I'll be looking at this. I'll be looking at this. I'll be looking for a buy opportunity from this, right? Let me just delete all of this. Let me delete those. So this was the last move. This was the last move before it actually got broken to the top side. So this is the last move before it got broken to the top side. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so let me use my Fibonacci tool. Let me use my Fibonacci. See, the Fibonacci is always giving me expo, always telling me, watch the market from this area. Wow, you see what I was saying? It's telling me to watch this market when it gets to this area. Okay, so let me delete that and then let me just draw out that zone, all of that zone. Let me draw it out. So let me draw the zone out. This is the zone. This is the zone. All right. This could take days before it gets here. Okay, it can take maybe even. I'm not saying it can't happen today. This is just 254. It can happen. It could be tomorrow, but I'll keep an eye out for this. Okay, I'll keep an eye out for this for my premium members. Wow, wow, wow! This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is the higher time frame change of character here. So when I say change of character, I mean a market structure shift. Okay, the market has been coming down before, and from here it started making an uptrend, started going up. That's what we call change of character. I say this almost every time. So let me name this as the 1 hour change of character. Okay, 1 hour change of character. Wow, 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 wow. So I'm actually waiting for this to get to this area and then start to make a move to the upside. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to do something like this. I don't care how many days it's going to take this market to get here. I'll be waiting for it. I don't care how many days it's going to take it. Okay. I don't care if it is going to happen today, tomorrow, or next tomorrow. I'll be here. I'll be waiting for this. I'll be waiting for this market. So, guys, if you have any question you want to ask me, you can actually go ahead and ask. Okay. This session is not just about learning. It's not just for money making. It's not just for placing trades. Okay. We also look for, everything that I've been saying here. They are educational stuffs. Okay. They are stuffs that you can actually jot out, write down, and then go to your chat later and try them out. All right. So if you have any question on everything that I've been explaining, all the things that I've made, our deposit, benefit of joining the premium group, whatever the question is, please, you can always ask me. All right. You can always ask me. Whatever the question is, you can always ask me. Right? So just 4 minutes to end this live session with you guys. So like I said, I'll be watching this trade for my premium members, and I'll also be watching this for them also, right? This is a huge gap. The market is coming to fill this, and while filling this, it will actually make a move to the downside, okay? To make a move to the downside. My higher time frame is giving me a confirmation that this market is not going to continue uptrend. Okay, so what happened here is even the confirmation. Okay, we have the market, the buy market started getting exhausted when they got to these points. Okay, it started getting exhausted. So what I mean by exhausted is, you see, when the market is making a move and it got to a point, the movements started getting shady. Start getting, you know, not as fast as it used to be. We call it an exhausted movement, okay, in the forex market. So the move is getting, the buy market was getting exhausted. You see, it's getting exhausted around all these areas. So the sellers actually took over from here, but we had this huge gap. So I'm guessing this is a holiday of some sort, okay? Maybe the weekend or stuff like that. So this was on Sunday, okay? Sunday, Saturday to Sunday, and this happened. So the market is coming to fill this Saturday to Sunday, the weekend, and then it will continue its move to the downside, okay? So this will be our first TP, and then our second TP will be around here. Let me just draw this out. Let me draw this out. Second TP, my second TP will be around here. So I think this is too much. Let me just put it at, let's make it 3.5. Okay, this is risk to reward ratio. What risk to reward ratio means is the amount I'm risking and the amount I want to make, right? So that is set. That is said. Right. So this is 5R, 5RR. 5RR means 5. 1:5 ratio. Okay, so if I'm risking one here, I'm eyeing to make 5 times of whatever I'm risking. Okay, so guys, that will be all for this afternoon. I'll see you guys in the evening session. All right. If you haven't found the account, make sure you found the account. Yesterday we took a trade on the evening session, so if we are able to get another setup this evening, we might likely take it. So okay, make sure you are not missing out on the evening session. It is very important. Okay, so whatever we do here, we may try to make the explanation on the evening session. All right. So guys, I'll see you by 7 p.m. Bye for now.